In order to create a complete API, we need to do four things. First, we need to get all movies. We need also to update movies. We need to insert movies. We need also to delete movies. So the first step is to get movies and get a single movie and get all movies. And that can be accomplished by making a GET request, making a GET request, which is the HTTP request method that's going to be used for getting movies. And we need to have a file that's going to do that. And the file name, it's very important to give it a very meaningful name. So it can be something like getAllMovies.php for getting all of the movies. Similarly, if you want to get a single movie, you need to make GET requests, and the file name also must be unique and also must be meaningful. So it can be getMovie.php, and then we add $ID and then equals to the movie ID. Or alternatively, we can get a movie by name by passing the name parameter name and then equals to the movie name. And don't worry about all of this. I'm going to be explaining all of this with a complete example so that you can understand how you can get a single movie and how you can get all of the movies. For storing a new movie or creating a new movie, we need to make HTTP post request, and we need to create a file for this, the file that's going to create the post, that's going to make the post request. And again, it must have a very meaningful name, such as createMovie.php, and it's going to create that movie or store that movie in the database. For updating a movie, we need to make put or post request, and the endpoint can be updateMovie.php and then $ID, and then we pass the ID of the movie that we are interested in updating its data. Finally, in order to delete a movie, we need to make a delete request, and the endpoint can be delete_movie.php, which deletes a specific movie. And these are the four main things that we need in order to create a complete API that is capable of creating, deleting, updating, and inserting movies.